Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, we're going to be checking out some headphones of the company known as LUDOS. They were nice enough to send these out. And if you're watching this video, it means my channel got unhacked and everything's going smoothly. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And if you guys would be so kind, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new and hit that notification bell down below so you guys can get notified exactly when I upload new content on the channel. So as I said today, a company called LUDOS sent me out a pair of their wired earbuds. And I got them in this nice neon gray color to go with the channel theme. So it says LUDOS. They come in the green and black design. They come in a bunch of different colors as well, ranging from like pink, red, orange, black, gray, all that. I'll have a link in the description down below if you guys want to go check these out if you're interested in a cheap pair of wireless earbuds. So I'll be doing live unboxing on my camera over here so you guys can see everything and as I'm doing it. So on the back, we just have a bunch of information regarding the headphones about cable length and sound pressure and frequency response, all this stuff. And they are made in China. You can also go to ludosgaming.com where they sell a bunch of other products as well. So let's move on to my other camera. Over here, let me just get my Blue Yeti in range so you guys can hear me really well. So LUDOS Clamor. We're going to be taking these bad boys open. You guys can read all the information here if you're interested in any of that. We got 1.2 meter cable length, 5 milliwatt, I'm guessing 92 decibels, and then 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, and THD 0.1%. Not sure what most of that means, but whatever. Let's get into this bad boy. Okay. So right off the bat, we are greeted with this nice green neon bag, which contains the headphones. And then we have a hello packet. Guessing this is the manual. Oh, no, this is just a bunch of, like, thank you for supporting the young startup at LUDOS. Shout out to them. And by the way, if you're a company watching this, influencer marketing is really good for companies these days. And that's why most of them are reaching out. Thank you so much for purchasing us our headphones, yada, yada, yada. And you can just contact them if you want to get a free pair, if you want to promote them. So shout out to them. Looks like they're doing well in the influencing market sector. And I'd recommend that to any company watching this. If you guys want to get promoted for a product you sell, definitely look into some influencers that can help you grow. So nice little bag here containing the headphones. And I'll do an audio test after this. And I'll let you know my thoughts. So that's it. Comes with extra ear tips. All earbuds come with this. So as you can see here, there's 3 lines on this cable. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, but as you can see, 3 lines right there, meaning this does have a mic input. So these are not magnetic, which is kind of a downside. I usually like magnetic earbuds, but they have a braided cable, so it's not going to be getting tangled. And let me just undo this tape right here, and we can get into these. Throw that to the side. And so I believe this said 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters, which is a little over 3 feet in length. So yeah, these are pretty lengthy. No issues there. And they also have the mic right here. And okay, so we have, let me just look at this. So we have play pause in the middle, and we have volume up and volume down, and this little hole right here is the microphone itself. So these come with little caps on them. Whoops. Okay, that's going to be an issue. Okay. Okay. Let's change it up a little. Okay. Okay, so after giving these a bit of a listen, also one thing that I do want to point out is that at least I struggled this a lot, but specifically on these earbuds, changing the tips was very difficult on these. So I got to knock at some points on that. I couldn't really get a good grip on the earbud to actually put it on, but once after a while I did figure it out, so that was fine. I ended up changing the ear tips. I wasn't a fan of these. Too squishy for me, and they didn't get a good seal on my ear, so I used some of the ones that they came with. And I'm kind of surprised that they didn't come with like green ones, that these are black, not green. It's kind of weird. That's just something small, but when it comes to sound quality, I've heard a lot of good headphones in my day, a lot of earbuds. The best thing I can compare these to are the Apple standard earbuds that come with all iPhones. And those, I think, are the best well-rounded earbuds. Those have pretty good highs and mids. They kind of suffer on the low end. This is kind of similar to that, except kind of the opposite. It does really well on the low end and the low mids, but when you start getting into the highs of music, does become tinny. Not gonna lie when it comes to that. So I listen to a standard mix of music, rap, rock, pop, and I have to say that the rap side and the rock side of things are really good. But when you have people who have high-pitched voices or any high-pitched noise in the music, it was getting tinny, and it's kind of like getting overly loud and kind of like overpowered the other everything else in the song, which is kind of a downside. But overall, I think they go for $13 on Amazon roughly. They're fine. I mean, you're not going to get studio quality sound out of these, but they do the trick. And I think if you want to game with these, since they do have a microphone, you can use those as well. And I can do a quick microphone test at the end of this, just so you can hear the quality of it as well. So overall, if I were to score these out of 10, I'd probably give them a 4.5 out of 10. 5 being like average. I think these are slightly below average just because of the tinniness of the highs and the changing of the earbuds was kind of a hassle. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, if you guys want to support me, you can go check out Life Made Easy merchandise, linked in the description. You can also check out my podcast and support me over there. And you can also use my affiliate links down below. If you purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of using my link, I make a commission off of it, and it's a great way for you guys to help me without actually donating anything to me. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.